Dear students, welcome to my channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe this channel and also press bell icon to all. Thank you. Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 8 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 23 vocabulary. Okay, so here tick the right alternative given within the brackets to make meaningful sentences. So here speaking, okay, so you know here the second one, okay, speaking aloud is not, okay, allowed, the first one here so here you know second one. The next, I request you, so you know you here second one, okay, to kindly waive my tuition fees, so waive you know second one, okay. The next, time and tide, you know tide first one, TIDE. Wait for none, you know none here second one, you know any. The next, he dashed the, okay, you know he threw the ball, second one, THREW, okay. The ball, BA, you know first one, okay. Through the window, okay, through first one, THROUGH, through the window. The next, you have a right, you know right, RIGST, first one, okay. To write, so here to write means here verb, okay, WRIT, right, to the principal, okay, to principal, here the second one, about your objection. The next, can I have, okay, you know here first one, okay, pair, okay, PRE of pears, you know pears here the first one. The next, to make the salty crackers fast dash, okay, you know fast need, second one, the dog for 5 minutes. The next, don't dash with electrical gadgets, don't meddle, okay, you know here the first one, okay. The next, Raju's bicycle toppled because he failed to apply the brake on time, so you know here the brake, okay, second one. Then next here, one must constantly try to cast, you know cast, CAST, okay, away one's prejudices and superstitions. The next, I can tell you a tale of brilliant warrior, so here the second one, TALE. The next, I can't ask others to vacate a seat for me, that who are studying at the library, you know here the second one, okay. The next, Mimi's dog passed away, you know passed away, first one, that means death, okay. So what kind of a metal is lead, you know lead, second one, okay, LED. The next, Mrs. Dhar's son, you know SON, first one, goes to my school, clear. Then next here, choose the correct synonyms for the highlighted words in the following sentences from the given alternatives. So here, creating a schedule for studies is a handy way of going about exam preparation. So you know here handy means a convenient, okay, first one. The next, there are several nomadic tribes in India. So you know nomadic here, you know roving, third one, okay. The next, the independence of India was a momentous time in the nation's history. So you know momentous means significant, okay, first one. I can give you an exhaustive list of superhero films. So you know exhaustive means here complete, okay. The next, the committee decided to accept 2 more applications. So you know accept means here take, okay. The next, everyone should get a fair chance. So you know fair means just here, okay. Then next here, I think we had a tactic agreement meant not to let out each other's secret. So you know synonyms, okay, implicit. The next, all the contestants of the essay competition have been so amazing. You know amazing means here brilliant, clear, second one. Then next here, replace the underlined words in each sentence with the correct antonyms given below. So here, the tiger is a domestic animal, okay, so you know here wild, okay, first one here, okay, wild. Then next, I can help you carry those light boxes, so you know to the opposite of light, you know heavy, okay, so here, okay, heavy. Then next, there is one mark for untidiness, so you know here opposite, you know neatness, okay, here 3. Then next, this place is very noisy, let's sit here for some time. So you know opposite of noisy is quiet, okay, so here. Then next, the book I read last night was horrible. Do you know horrible here means fantastic, okay, so here fantastic. Then next, One needs to be careless about one's decisions in life. So here you one needs to be judicious. Okay. So here the last one 6. Okay. Clear. Then next here, match the words in column B with appropriate synonyms and antonyms given in columns A and C respectively. So here you know grand. Okay. Impressive. Okay, grand, impressive, synonyms. Antonyms you know simple. Okay, so here. Then next, eager. You know eager means synonyms will be willing. Okay, so here. And its opposite you know unwilling. Clear? Then next, sure. You know sure means certain. So here the answer certain here. Then you know its antonyms unsure. So here the answer unsure. Then next, you know angry. Angry means you know annoyed. So here annoyed. Okay, its antonyms you know happy. Okay, so here okay, here at the top happy. Then next, better. Okay, you know better means improved. Okay, here better means you have to write here improved. Okay, here better you know improved. Okay, and you know antonyms is worse. Okay, so here worse, better, synonyms improved, antonyms worse. Clear? Then next you know wonderful. Okay, wonderful you know fantastic. Okay, wonderful synonyms fantastic, you know antonyms horrible. Then next you know steady. Steady means you know stable. Then you know its antonyms unsteady. Okay. Then next ordinary. You know the synonyms of ordinary is commonplace. Then antonyms you know exclusive. Clear? Then next you know intelligent. Synonyms clever. Then antonyms you know foolish. Okay. Then next tight. You know synonyms is firm. Antonyms loose. Then next honest. Synonyms is truthful. Antonyms you know dishonest. Okay. Then you know here combine. Okay. So here combine, you know combine, its synonyms you know blend, antonyms you know separate. Then next abundant, you know abundant synonyms you know sufficient. Okay. Then antonyms you know scanty. Then next disagree, synonyms you know differ. Okay. Then antonyms you know okay agree. Then next mean. Okay, mean synonyms you know unkind. Okay. Then antonyms you know nice. Clear? So you have to follow the instruction of the question. Match the words in column B with appropriate synonyms and antonyms given in column A and C respectively. Okay. So I have here provided the answer. Okay. So you have to write in your book. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.